In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dolphin.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing we need to know is the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows browser and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link depending on your system type or the architecture and click on it. This is the latest Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Click on the folder icon and then double click on the setup file. And then you will have to check the option I agree to the license terms and conditions. So check on it and click on install. So simply install the latest Visual C++ on your Windows 11 and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And the next thing that you can do is to also update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. This will check for all the updates on your Windows that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.